everyone, welcome to the video in this beautiful now moment. Hoping and trusting you're very well. Lots of love to you. My name is Owen Fox and I'm living in Ireland, from Ireland. And what's your name and how are you and what's your passions and interests? Presumably there's spirituality and raising our frequency and consciousness. So that's what this video is about. I want to talk about today, in this eternal beautiful now moment, the blessed gift of being alive. I want to talk about what getting your priorities and getting your priorities straight, I suppose you could say. Like, there's a lot of common talk around, like chit chat, where like, oh, it's like the weather's bad or like it's cold, and yeah, it's cold, and that doesn't have to be a negative or a positive. It's just a factual statement. But a lot of the time, people mean it a little bit negative or very negative. Sometimes if it's raining. But I just basically just say to people, I'm not one for just like talking nonsense or wasting my time talking. I like to say what I mean what I say, and say meaningful things, because that's what I'm inspired to do naturally. Not always, but most of the time. Obviously, I'm silly and jokey. I'm not always saying meaningful things. I'm definitely not. But when it comes to like non-jokey topics, like supposedly serious, it's seriously a bad day. I'm like, nothing really gets me down anymore. But what I might say to the person is, it happened outside the health store there. I don't mind waiting outside in the cold, like whatsoever. I'm just so glad or happy to be like alive and to wake up every day. And like waking up isn't a given. It's not a definite thing that's going to happen. So I said something along those lines to the person. She's like, yeah, totally. Something like, I just felt she agreed with me, even though she didn't say the word I agree. But yeah, that's where I'm coming at, my friends. Like, when we raise our frequency and our energy, our vibration, we're generally stepping into a higher frequency of our heart, especially, but we're also stepping into higher frequencies, of love and in the heart, but also gratitude and appreciation. Like they only have one packet of organic figs from the shop. Only have one. But you know what? I'm so happy they had one. The last time I got 6 packets, I ate them all because the rest of the family didn't want them enough. They had other things they wanted more, so that was good for them. But like, I was like so happy to be outside the shop, like in the fresh air. I loved it. And then I was so happy they had 1 packet of figs. I just deeply appreciate things these days more than ever. Like, just definitely a higher frequency. Undoubtedly, it was definitely got a higher frequency. And it's the happiest time of my life because it's a secret. Yeah, and also because myself and my partner are just getting on excellently. So that's what my book is about, the forgery from 3D to 4D and the 5D consciousness of the heart and in relationships, and that's splendid. It's just great to have a good, really good, happy, peaceful, connected, intimate, honest relationship, and trusting and secure and safe. It's just the best ever. So I'd highly recommend my books on health, on relationships, on wisdom and awareness, on self-empowerment. Just have a bundle of them coming up, and you're going to love them, I promise you. And if people didn't like them, I'll happily give them their money back anyway. I don't really care. I'm just delighted to be little Valentine's card. Little synchronicity. I went into the shop, I got a whole lot of dates, signature dates from Super. Came out, just realised I forgot a card. It's Valentine's card, because tomorrow's Valentine's Day and today's 13th of February. So outside I drove back a loop, just a quick loop, went back in again, ran around the shop to the cards looking for them, because the woman said they're over there. Then I came back, ran back. Another woman said, are you looking for cards? Because I was looking at a different ordinary type of cards. She's like, you looking for Valentine cards? I said, yeah. So over there, exactly where they are. So I ran back again after saying, I think the other woman said that, but the one person over there said that they sold out. Okay, I'll just give it one more try. So I went back for the second time. Definitely not there. Came back again, and so the two women, one of them asked me, do I have a mask? And I said, I have an exemption. She said, that's okay. So people love it when you don't wear a mask. The silent people, loads of people love it. But anyway, what was I going to say? Happened. There's none, and even in the other section, there's no, except uno. There was one somebody had left at the desk, the service desk where they were, And I also asked him to get an on bars, raw vegan on bars, into the shop. I don't know if they can get them. 55% milk chocolate version, which is a raw vegan, and then also just a coconut center raw vegan. It's really yummy. Coconut vanilla raw center. So yeah, that's all I want to say, my friends. Like, what are your priorities? Get them straight. Like mine are, I have a body, I can move, I can do some exercise. I can't do tons like I used to, but I can do a tiny percentage of that. But it's good enough for me. I'm no longer sick or unwell like I used to be for like 10 years. What a trip that was. Oh yeah, that was a lot of fun. It was a good journey of insides. I went on the inner journey because the outside journey was scuppered. Bye bye outer journey. You're now weak. You're no longer strong, ego, macho man who's kick-ass, fittest and strongest, more or less. The athlete, the fit as a fiddle and as strong as a springbok. Like, now you're going the inner journey because there's nothing to do outside. You can be bored, very bored, doing nothing on the outside and feeling like crap. So go on the inner journey. That's what God said to me. I'm joking. That's what the universe said to me, which is God anyway. But yeah, so how are you today? Any plans? Anything? Are you doing anything nice for Valentine's? I'm gonna watch a film. I'm gonna do other stuff, but one thing I'm gonna do is I'm gonna watch a film and eat some raw vegan ice cream that we haven't had in a long time. The Nobo avocado mint, toffee mint or mint. Oh, so good. And then the Buja one, raspberry. Haven't had that one in a long time. But yeah. Life's a gift, my friends. It truly is. This is a special gift to be alive, you know, special gift. To wake up every day is a special gift. To have your health every day is a special gift. To have your loved ones and family or your partner or your children or your parents still alive, special gift. We have so much more than we need to be happy. We don't need to be fretting over tiny things like we lost a sock or we lost like even our phone, like, you know, things that we're even attached to, even our car, like, you know. We lost our car for 10 days, like, you know what I'm saying? Went away for a little while. Didn't get me down 1%. I actually enjoyed cycling to the shops. Half an hour, 25-minute cycle, half an hour cycle to the shop. Nothing gets me down anymore. I'm just so happy. And no, not that it got me down particularly, because it didn't, because being sick for over 10 years like made me really appreciate the small things and savor the moment, just live in the moment. But I've reached a higher level now for so many ways I won't even bother to try and get into. Just appreciating the small. I'm just like so happy with the small things. Like, I just don't get disappointed if things don't seem to like work out properly or perfectly or something. I don't really have strong attachments to any expectation or hope or wish. Just much more easygoing, in the flow, chill, relaxed, calm, happy, content. I'm pretty deeply like honored and appreciate that. Yeah, I'm sure you are too. And yeah, I'll end this video now because we gotta go. And I hope you have a happy day. Lots of love to you. Check out my links below and befriend me. Check out my herb store, coaching, books, social media, all that rizzle, dizzle, and rizmaras. Connect, collaborate, this, that, and the other, you know. That's what I love to do. So if you have any collective, collaborative, cool ideas, fun, and help humanity, message me. Or just to say hello or any of the things I mentioned.